A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So we are back with our science class, and today we will start with a new chapter. But before that, as you know that it is summer season now, and in summer season what happens? We feel very thirsty. ना हमें बहुत जल्दी जल्दी प्यास लगती है, and it is important also to stay hydrated. Our body requires water. Just as human beings require water, in the same way, plants and animals also require water. Okay? वो human beings तो नहीं हैं, but they are living, so they also require water. So now we will start with a new chapter. That is chapter number 2, plants and animals also need water. Let's go.
Chapter 2, plants and animals also need water. We need water to live. Like us, plants and animals also need water. Plants need water. Plants need water to make their food. They make food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Rain is one of the main sources of water on land. Rainwater goes into the soil. Plants get this water from the soil through their roots.
Now, if you remember in the last chapter, what we studied? We studied parts of plants. Okay, we studied about stem, about roots, fruits and leaves. So what is it? They also need water to grow. Okay, अब हमारी बॉडी को कैसे फूड की ज़रूरत होती है, ग्रो होने के लिए वाटर की ज़रूरत होती है. In the same way, these plants, they require water, and there are two more things, that is air and sunlight. So plants require water, air and sunlight to grow. Okay, as you saw, see, rainfall is very important. And how do we get this water? You will say through taps, but water आता कैसे है हमारे पास? So the main source of water on land is rain. This rain water we store it. Okay, हम rain water को क्या करते हैं? हम store करते हैं, and then whenever there is less rain or we need the water, we use that water. Okay, so this way we use this rain water. Now this rain water, as you can see, it's raining and it goes into the soil. आपको land दिख रहा है ना? And यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Soil है. So this rain water goes deep into the soil, and through this soil, what happens? The roots of the plants, the roots, they get water. See? These are the roots.
With the help of
These are the roots, and because when it rains, what happens? All the water gets in the soil, and the soil provides water to the roots, and this is how the whole plant gets water. Okay, children? Now let's move on.
in a pot filled
See,
through their root.
now we are going to study about an activity. That is the activity of germination of seeds. So it is a new word and it is an extremely important activity. So let us start with it.
Their roots. Activity. Take some seeds and put them deep in a pot filled with soil. Do not water the seeds. Now, take some more seeds and put them deep in another pot filled with soil. Water the second pot daily. You soon see.
Now see, what was there in the activity? We need two things, that is there are two pots. Okay? In one pot, what we did? Seeds तो हमने दोनों pots में add किया. But एक pot पे हमने regularly water add किया, and the other one we did not put any water. Now let's see.
See small green plants coming out of the second pot, while nothing grows in the first pot. This happens because the seeds in the second pot get water to grow. This growth of seeds is called germination. So, we can say water is needed for the germination of seeds.
So, what was it? There were 2 pots and दोनों pots में हमने seeds add की. Then what happened? In the first pot, we didn't put water regularly. हमने काफ़ी दिन तक water नहीं किया. And the second one, regularly we provided water. So what happened? See, the second one started growing. I'll show you again. See, this was the one which got water and
small green plants coming out of the second pot.
So what you saw that this small seed started growing and growing and it became a big beautiful plant. So this process of growing of plant and developing is known as what? Germination of seeds. Now this proves that without water plants cannot grow. जो पॉट को हमने पानी नहीं दिया वो तो ग्रो ही नहीं हुआ एंड जो पॉट्स को हमने वाटर प्रोवाइड किया दैट प्लांट ग्रो ब्यूटिफुली. So children, this proves that water is extremely important for plants to grow and we cannot grow them without water. So do you think we should stop over here? Yes? Okay, so we shall stop over here. And it's time for your worksheet. So you can see chapter number 2, worksheet number 1. Fill in the blanks. Plants need water to make their dash. Dash is the main source of water on land. The process of growth of seeds is known as dash. Answer in short. What does the plants need to make their food? Plants को क्या चाहिए होता है? There were 3 things, right? Explain the process of germination in your own words. Now see children, now what we studied previously, last topic हमारा था germination, in which we did an activity. See, we'll recall quickly. There were 2 pots. One pot, we didn't water it regularly. Seeds हमने दोनों में डाली, but एक में water add किया रोज and दूसरे में नहीं किया. So what happened? Slowly and gradually, the one pot which got water regularly, it started growing up. So this proved that water is essential and this process is known as what? Germination. So the growth of seeds which we saw in the pot, that is the germination of seeds. So you can write it in your own words. Is that clear? So I think we shall stop over here and in the next class we will continue with the chapter. So till then, take care of your health. Goodbye students. May God bless you.